Welcome to Hello Art Studio. If you are ready, so here are 20 tips to help you get start. Draw every day. As we said before, we are usually afraid of drawing. Because we are afraid of failure, or think we lack skills, or compare ourselves too much with other artists. All of these objections can be solved with one simple solution. Draw every day. Life is busy, so I think sometimes it can be hard to find time. Honestly, though, I know you can. Sometimes you will have a free day for drawing, sometimes, instead of checking your social media, you will have only 15 minutes. In any way, okay, fine. As long as you do it permanently. Practice every day and make it a habit. Practicing every day will not make you forget the basics of art. A good artist draws every day, whether it is 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Keep practicing, so draw every day. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon for daily notification.